नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका आपके अपने यूट्यूब चैनल जस्ट डू इट पर। तो दोस्तों हम लोग अभी आरबीआई असिस्टेंट के 20 के 20 मॉक ऑलिव बोर्ड के लाइव करेंगे। मतलब मेरा पेपर 18 तारीख को है, तो उससे पहले मैं उसे कंप्लीट करने की कोशिश करूँगा और उसकी वीडियो भी डालने की कोशिश करूँगा। और अभी मैं मोस्टली मॉक पे ही फोकस करूँगा और कुछ कुछ करंट अफेयर का पढ़ूंगा और कुछ कंप्यूटर का। बाकी मेरा पूरा फोकस इस प्रीलिम पे ही रहेगा क्योंकि मेरा एसबीआई पीओ का इतना अच्छा नहीं गया है, तो अभी आरबीआई असिस्टेंट ही एग्ज़ाम है। तो मैंने फर्स्ट मॉक तो पहले दिया था बहुत दिनों पहले, उसमें 79.25 मेरा स्कोर बना था। और कल जो लाइव था उसमें 84.75 उसका वीडियो में डाल नहीं पाया था। और अभी आज हम सेकंड मॉक करेंगे। और दोस्तों आपने इस मॉक को अगर अटेम्प्ट कर लिया हो तो आप इसके स्कोर आप कमेंट में ज़रूर बताना। तो आज हम लोग इसका एनालिसिस करेंगे और इसको अटेम्प्ट करेंगे लाइव। और दोस्तों आप मेरे टेलीग्राम चैनल को ज्वाइन कर लेना, मैं लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल रहा हूँ। तो जल्दी से दोस्तों इस मॉक को स्टार्ट करते हैं। Relationship with friends are an important but under research will be known. You have known since perhaps you wait for him or side. Relationships with friends are an important but under research source of well-being. Source. Friendship research tends to focus on children or adolescents but rarely peeks inside the qualities that survive friendship. Once people enter adulthood. You could be friends with someone you have known since childhood or have recently become very close to parents at your child's school. Perhaps you justify your best friend someone. Perhaps you earn your best friend someone you see every day at gym. Consider. Your best friend from high school may live far away from you now, but but perhaps there are features that friendship. But since there are features that you feel are not replaceable, तो बाद में करेंगे. In line with the changing needs of individuals in his life cycle. In line with the changing needs of individuals in my life cycle, the way people pursue and define friendship. Point reinforces the importance of taking a developmental perspective when examining friendship relationships. Although friendships decrease in terms of quantity in adulthood, the nature of the relationship gets deeper. The nature, the equality, the absolute. The nature of the relationships get deep. Incorrectly spelled. Fred had been her constant companion for the last 6 years. A troubleshooter is being appointed to make the prison service more efficient. Appointed. I took him into a quiet cafe and quick ordered his favorite breakfast. And quickly ordered. And quickly order. I took him and quickly ordered favorite breakfast. I took him to a quiet cafe, and quickly ordered his favorite. He has been caring at his mother. He has been caring on his mother. He has cared on his in looking after his mother. With the rise of urbanism, RBNI, and the allure of video games and social media, contact with nature is much rarer. The rise of urbanism, ERB, the precise method of measuring local opinion will be part of a wider consultation which will conclude the process of clearing damage and starting repairs began shortly after the explosion. The bolter had to do the throw because it turned too sore. The dough had to, but the throw had to do the throw. My aunt, who works in the revenue department, is going to visit us this week. No. Mortality standards of living. Higher standards of living in Europe had reduced the adult mortality rate. Population explosion. AC. The birth of Christianity interrupted psychological attempts to analyze and explain purely on the basis of reason. The birth of Christianity interrupted. Hmm. EA. EA. Christmas lights of guy who liked. He was the type. He was the type of guy who liked Christmas lights on his house in the middle of July. Siri became confused. Siri became confused when we refused to follow her instruction last night while driving. Olive Ridley turtles are. Yep. The resort was the hurricane destroyed. All the eggs hatched last night. The resort was inspecting the hotel. Inspecting the The duo hoped that experiments would bear out that research bear out to the initial distribution of surfactant on the surface of the pool when a tiny drop of soapy water falls on the pool of liquid. Its contents spread out over the surface of the pool. They found that the time dependence of the spread was sensitive to the initial distribution of fluid. They found that the time dependence of the spread was sensitive to the initial distribution. London was 15. The mother and father had a sort of bedstead in the corner. Where did Tom father live? According to the passage, what can be said about the streets of London? They were brother. 1 and 3. Crooked and dirty. 3. According to the passage, who are the members of Tom's family? Tom's father lived a whole little pocket called Offal Court. Okay, Offal Court. Tom family. Mother and father had a sort of mother, father, sister, Batman. and 5. Grandmother 1, 4, 5. Tom's father. What was the age of London city? 1500 years old. What did Tom's father and it according to the passage, what was the occupation of John Kennedy? War. What is, they got drunk whenever they could. They fought each other. Anybody else okay? They cursed. Organized. French. Organize. According to the passage, what did Tom's grandmother and father do with children? What did Tom's grandmother and father do with children? Beggars. Hmm. Your best friend from high school may live far away from you now, but although there are but, but perhaps with the rise of urbanism, the butler and go the throw इसी 1 मिनट दोस्तों, मैं चार्जिंग में लगा देता हूँ, अपने बीच में बंद हो जाएगा। तो दोस्तों अब हम लोग कॉल को स्टार्ट करेंगे। 1 मिनट माइक लगा लेता हूँ। P61 minus 10, yes, 33 divided by 44 into 8 minus 3 और 7 3 2 plus 60% 90 equal to 5x plus 12 92 minus 12 80 5 16 14,700 equal to 18 into 70 plus x 7 3 20 7 2 910 70 20 0 एक 9 11 by 9 plus 5 by 60% of 15 by past 3 9 3 by 9 by 9 4 by 3 into 81 108 12 एक 4 एक 5 by 10 कितना 3 7 by equal to x divided by 4 एक 4 एक 7 by 12 into 3 15 plus is equal to x divided by 17 minus 48 4 is equal to x divided by 7 35% 7 by 20 2 22 22 7 20 140 7 by 20 into 440 22 154 154 minus x is equal to x minus a 4 4 4 by 25 10 40 x equal to 7 7 720 divided by 16 into 1 by 3 x is equal to 11 4 चौक 16 18 चौक 72 60 60 minus 50 49 49 ना है ना 720 divided by 16 4 चौक 16 18 चौक 180 1 by 3 4 12 15 minus x is equal to 18 चार 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 सॉरी 4 102 इंटू 1/6 1/x इज इक्वल टू 4 17 4 त्रिक 12 4 त्रिक 12 16 एक 4.2 70 प्लस 60 इज इक्वल टू x प्लस 7 त्रिक 21 3 35 5 माइनस 22 जो है 13 80 13 3 70 73। अरे यार क्या है 70 प्लस 60 अरे 60 7 30 130 माइनस 13 117 एक्स स्क्वेयर प्लस 10 900 माइनस 361 सात निकला 9 30 8 5 39 23 27 3 46 इंटू 42 3 2 प्लस 2x आपण 30 6 36 30 75 750 इंटू 3 2100 2250 202 48 10 4 16 2 5 32 32 64 7 28 56 80 11 9 plus 129 minus 62 is 70 75 6 8 तक 24 6 4 9 चौक 24 24 8 तक 24 3 तक 9 9 चौक 24 3 4 चौक 16 minus 7 plus 4 15 minus 7 x is greater than or equal to minus 11 minus 8 15 नहीं सॉरी 10 25 plus 10 minus 5 x is less than minus 4 plus 3 6 4 minus 6 minus 4 x is greater than or equal to 13 5 minus 13 minus 5 11 5 plus 11 plus 5 x is less than or equal to the table below shows the one person can have only one vehicle, either a car or motorcycle. A B C D C D sorry A B C D E car 240 340 290 390 390 every number of people with their own car and motorcycle total 42 420 690 540 540 500 मोटरसायकल 360 220 350 असं 300 240 250 250 okay and the number of people motorcycle in D 250 difference between people who have car and motorcycle in B 20 20. Ratio of number of people who have motorcycle in C to E. C to E paths. How many people have their own vehicle in all 5 cities together? 5 4 10 16 26 5 4 9 9 18 20 200 28. Number of people who have motorcycle in A 360 is what percentage more than the people who have car in A 240. 1 by 2 50%. A student bought a book at 500, cost price 500, told his friend 600, profit percentage number by 500, 1 by 5 20%. The age of woman and daughter is 7:3. After 24 years 5:3. 24 years 5:3. Okay. Find the age of woman when her daughter was born. 7x plus 24, 3x plus 24 is equal to 5 by 3. 21x plus 72, 15x plus 120, 21 5 में 6x 28, 38 40, 8 x is equal to 8, 56 24. Age of woman and her daughter are in 3:2. Okay. And the age of woman when her daughter was born. 24, 32. If the value of area of square is half of perimeter of square. Area of square na? A square is half of perimeter of square. Is equal to 2 and the side. Simple interest 22 is he start his business with 50,000 and Q invests or registry for as a total 30,000. At the end of the year they divide profit in 21:11 and how many money was invested. X 1 4 के साथ 8 months. Sum of two numbers a plus b is 104. A plus b 104. A increased by 25%. B decreased by 70%. 7 7 and their sum becomes 54. Okay. 4x plus 10y is equal to 104. 5 plus 7y is equal to 54 into 5 into 4. 3x plus 1 plus y is equal to 20. 3x plus 28y is 216 minus plus minus plus plus 22y is equal to 310 304. 52, सॉरी 5 चोक 20, 200, 4 चोक 16, 216, 520, 22 वाय a sum of 2300 divided among PQR. QR says that P get 1/3 of Q and Q gets what? Q gets 2/5 of R. What is the share of P? 8 share of P. Average price of 4 atoms PQR is 732, 320, 40 R S Q and R 202 PQR 210 930 202 8 is equal to 8. Then price of P8 is 2 pipes A and B. Takes 2 hours to fill the tank. A can fill the tank in 3 hours. B 6 B6 2 1 B1 6 hours. Average a shopkeeper mixes 3 kg of regular quality of rice. Cost price as 80. 5 kg of premium. Cost price 20. ठीक है 3:5. 120 minus x minus 80. 20 minus x. X minus 80 is equal to 3/5. 600 minus 5x. 3x minus choice 8x. एक 8 x is equal to 105. Okay. Satish Raju went to amusement park. Satish paid 3,000, and if Satish spent 20% more than Raju, 2,500. How much amount did Raju spend on Twish? Train T running at 126 km/h passes a platform of 200 meters per second in p second. (35 meters per second) passes a platform 200 plus t in p second. 35 p second. He cross a pole in simple interest on 2200 y% y equal to the simple interest on 33 y plus 8% for 1.6 hours year. 33% cancel. 8y by the y 40 y plus 32 320 and 64 3 84 32 12 y इज इक्वल टू 12। a plus b is equal to 104 sum of number 104 a increased by 25%, 4x is equal to 5, b decreased by 20, 10y 7y, sum becomes 54 plus y and 20 32 is रुपीज 200 4 बी -2 है ना, -2 है बी इन वाई 5 2 है और एक्स। अरे यार ठीक है, अब रीजनिंग एल क्रूनाई LAVI फॉल्स LI इधर QAQELWA true EZEQBNZ both OMAIN true AD false only one HSHOR false OEORSE neither. Some plants are herbs, some plants are herbs, all plants are shrubs, all plants are shrubs, no shrub is grass. Some herbs are not grass, some herbs are not grass. Some shrubs are herbs, some shrub are herbs. On both. Some tattoo are permanent, some tattoo are permanent. Only a few tattoo are temporary, only a few tattoo are temporary. No temporary is visible, no temporary is visible. Some permanent are visible, some tattoo are not visible, some tattoo are not visible. Two, only two. All onion are brinjal, all onion are brinjal. Some potato are onion, some potato are onion, no potato is tomato. Some tomato are brinjal. All brinjal being potato is possibility, all brinjal being potato is a possibility, only two. Eight person are working in company in HR department at different designation in decreasing order. Strategic partner, EM, HR mentor, recruiter, HR analysis, staff coordinator, HR associate, and HR trainee. X is immediately senior to Q, B is immediately junior to W, but senior to G. The number of persons senior to G is same as junior to Z. GZ pair. Z is junior to Z. Z is junior to G. J is junior to E. J is junior to E. Q is senior to B. Q is senior to B. Q is not junior most. है ना। Z G W E J Q G. Among the following is junior-most J. Which of the following arrangement is true as decreasing order? E B G Z J, E B G Z J 2 Z J 2 W Q X Z B W Q X Z B. Two persons are senior to G. E is senior most. Q is immediately senior to Z. SC, state staff coordinator. What is the position of how many letters remain unchanged in the word indifferent? I N D I F F E R E N T. Reverse order from left to right. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q S T T. How many words remain unchanged? Okay, 1. On a certain day, Ritu winds north, south, east, west. Ritu went to her friend Mohan house. She started from her house and went Tera east. She turned right 3 kilometers and turned left 7 kilometers. Turn 8 kilometers north and turn left. She turned left. She went to the 7 kilometers west of Mohan's house. 7. In which direction Ritu's house with respect to Mohan? Southwest. If Chandu lives 10 kilometers south of Mohan, 10 kilometers na? If Chandu lives 10, then in which direction Chandu house is to Ritu? Southeast. 6 friend Mary, Jerry, Jane are sitting around a circular table. 1, 3, 4, 5. Not more than 2 adjacent friends face same direction. Maximum 2. Jerry sits her to the right of Katie. Jerry sits Katie. Mary second to the left of Jerry. Mary second to the left of Jerry. 3 friends sit between Mary and Jay. John sits second to the right of Katie. John sits second to the right of Katie. Jay sits immediate right of Sam. Jay sits immediate right of Sam. Jerry and Sam face same direction as Mary. Jerry, Sam, Mary, same direction. J face in. J face in. Katie, John, Jerry, John. Sam, Jeep, Sam, Jeep, Mary. Okay. Jerry, Sam, Mary. Jerry, Sam, Mary. Okay. Who sits second to the right of Sam? Katie. John, Sam, Katie, Sam. John, Katie, Sam, Sam. J, Mary. J, Mary. Jerry, Mary. Jerry, Mary. John, J. John, J. Sam, Mary. Among the following places in the same direction as John. J. J. Who sits adjacent to Mary? Katie, John. Eight people are sitting in two rows, 1 and 2, all are facing north direction. Each row has 4 seats. Row 1 is the north of row 2. Row 1 is the north of row 2. 8 people. There are 2 people sitting between 1 and 6. 1, 6 who sitting in the same row, that is row 1. The one who sits exactly behind 6 is immediate neighbor of 5. There are only one person sit between 5 and 7. Both are sitting in same row. 4 sits immediately left of the one who sits exactly behind 3. 4 sits immediately left of the person who sits behind 3. 3 who sits in row 1. 8 sits immediate right of 3. 8 sits immediate right of 3. 4. 1, 5. 2 sits exactly behind 8. Who among the following persons second to the left of 2? 4. Who among the following sitting at extreme end row 6, 4, 1, 7? Who among the following sits second to the right of 6? 8. 6, 4, 1, 2, 7, 6, 4, 1, 2, 7, 2. Who among the following is not sitting in row 2? 4, 5, 2, 7, 8. 7 person SG RMNBL are 7 story building. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nita lives immediately above Lalita and immediately below Rita. Bhavita lives on 5th floor. 2 floors are between S and G. The second one from G. G lives immediately below B. B and from S N L or N L. On which does floor Mita lives 6th? एक मिनट दोस्तों, मैं स्टॉप करता हूँ, कुछ शायद कोई आया है। थोड़ा सा अर्जेंट था दोस्तों, एक मिनट। तो हाँ, तो विच एलिमेंट इज सिक्स पोजिशन फ्रॉम द लेफ्ट एंड? 3 5 4 3 4 5 6 4 16th, sorry, 16th position from the left. 3 6 9 12 15. If all the even numbers are dropped from the string, then how many elements left in the string? even? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25. Which of the following element is preceded and succeeded by consonant? 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 Which element is third to the right of the 13th element from the right hand? Third to the right of 13th. In how many numbers the sum of first and third digit is more than 10? First and third. 10 9 8 1. If all the three digit number are arranged in descending order, which will be the third digit of the third digit number? Which will be the third digit of the first three digit number? All the three digit numbers are arranged in descending order. If the first digit of each number is dropped, then how many numbers will less than 49? 1 2 3. If all the digits of each number are reversed, then which will correspond to highest number? 347. If 2 is added to third digit of each number, then in how many numbers digit will be repeated twice? 1. If all the even, if three digit number are arranged in descending order, will be the third digit of the first three digit number. Descending order. 8 6 5 3 2. Then which will be the third digit of the first three digit number? 4. If a four letter meaningful word 1478 1 4 8 delete delete। इसमें दोस्तों यार कंफर्म नहीं हूँ मैं, क्या आएगा? SLIT 8। तो ठीक है दोस्तों, सबमिट कर देते इसको। एक मिनट में दोस्तों इसको हटा देता हूँ। हाँ तो दोस्तों इसमें मेरे 88.50 स्कोर बना, और इंग्लिश में मेरे 3 गलत हुए, 25.25 बना यहाँ पे, और क्वांट में 33 के 33 सही है, और रीजनिंग में 3 गलत हो गए, ज़्यादा गलत हो गए, यहाँ पे 30.25 स्कोर बना, और ओवरऑल मेरा 91.3 परसेंटाइल बना। और थोड़ा और अच्छा हो सकता था, अगर रीजनिंग में देख लेते क्या गलत हुआ। रीजनिंग में इफ ऑल द ज़ीरो, यार ज़ीरो मैंने इवन ही को काउंट नहीं किया। इवन नंबर ड्रॉप नहीं, ज़ीरो ज़ीरो मैंने इवन नहीं काउंट किया, इसलिए यहाँ पे गलत हो गया। इनडिफरेंट कैसे हो गई इनडिफरेंट? अरे यार मैंने इसे अल्फ़ाबेटिकली ऑर्डर में लगा दिया था, अरेंज इन रिवर्स ऑर्डर, सिर्फ उन्होंने रिवर्स कहा था, मुझे मैंने पढ़ा नहीं रिवर्स, मुझे लगा रिवर्स अल्फ़ाबेटिकल ऑर्डर, तो इसलिए ये गलत हो गया। और यहाँ पे इफ ऑल द डिजिट्स ऑफ ईच नंबर आर रिवर्स्ड इन विच नंबर करंट टू थर्ड हाइस्ट नो, ये फर्स्ट सेकंड और 613। अरे यार मैंने इसको भी हाईएस्ट हाईएस्ट नंबर को मैंने शायद लगा दिया था, तो ये सिली मिस्टेक हुई मेरे से बहुत, और ये मैंने छोड़ा था। मैं इफ मोर देन वन सर्च फॉर्म देन जेड, हाँ मुझे जेड ही लग रहा था इसका, लिस्ट। सही था, लेकिन ये मेरा गलत हो गया। और सिली मिस्टेक्स मेरी काफ़ी हुई इसमें, इंग्लिश में, माय यार, तो मेरी इसमें सिली मिस्टेक काफ़ी ज़्यादा हुई, नहीं तो थोड़े से और 3-4 नंबर और आ जाते, 3 नंबर। दोस्तों आपका क्या स्कोर रहा इस पर्टिकुलर मॉक में, आप कमेंट करके मुझे ज़रूर बताना। और ठीक है दोस्तों, मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में। थैंक यू।